What's up, guys? Good morning. Probably can't really see me, but quick morning session before we go work. I gotta retime my FG real quick and be out there. Half hitch, finish them off. One more headlamp. So gotta make do what we get. Nice and tight. Cut off the extra tag. And finish them off. Kind of always like to burn the tag in of the Power Pro, that way get more better secured. Not at the end. But try not to burn your main line, yo. Hard bolts like that. But sorry guys, I haven't been pushing out videos, man. I've been busy, not gonna lie. Been a little bit lazy too, but I get a few that I'm gonna put together. Hopefully by the end of summer I have them out for you guys, so stay tuned. Let's go get some casting. Fucking first cast, I don't believe, bro. Brand new lure, just bought them yesterday. On. Fucking hit him so close too.
Yeah, you hit him like right here.
Right here, yeah.
All the way into.
Fucking hell, cuz.
Solid one. Thanks, son. That's a big one.
Wet, all wet my work pants. Nice.
This is the same way you cut the hollow off too.
Same lure, bro. Yeah. First cast. Got him. Screamer. It's not a 7-pounder. Add that to the fucking Rasta. Beautiful fish. Sun not even up yet. Screemah. Yeah, boys. Smoking action before the worky. Fuck it, I'm gonna like wet my pants though. Should have brought his ass in here. Got him, guys. Right now it's only 5:30. Let me get one on the fucking bag. Fucking is very pepper, it's deadly. Let's on. Ah. Came off. Yeah. That one's a smaller one. That was unreal. I was horsing his ass. I like hook on fucking 20. Take me for a ride. That's the one right there, boy. Ross, show Ross. I just got blown up over there. Oh, that was on big one though. That was on big boy, cuz. That was on big fucker. What's up, gang? When I was 620 and mission accomplished. Done, nice one. It's about 8 pounds. Beautiful fish, guys. First cast. Stay tuned. Season is near. More streamers to come. Alright.